I'm currently in Thakhek, Laos. Shout out communism. We got some rotis and I got a haircut. I get one banana. Thank you. Lay out the batter. Throw on the banana. Fold it up. I got the chocolate. Take a bite, Douglas. Let's try. Very baked.
Good.
Very good. Almost done.
Okay.
There we go. Onto the paper. Yes, please. Condensed milk on it. On top. Efficient, professional. I'll try. Put it down here. I'll try it. Let's try it. Alright. Banana roti with condensed milk. Oh my god, it's so hot. The banana heats up. Very good every time. You want to trade one? Yours is very crispy. Mine's less cooked, I think.
Yeah, this is
Very, yeah, that's thicker. This is very thin. Chocolate. That's a whole different thing.
yours seems better. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. You want one?
Yeah, sure. This one with chocolate.
Yeah, a banana chocolate combo. I'm gonna do the combo manually.
Yeah, this is just
It's like
crispy chocolate.
almost like those wafer chocolate. Yeah. So hot. Very good. You want to try one?
No.
You want to try?
I have one.
You want one? You're faking it? It's a funny guy. Oh, here we go. Very good. Nice. Okay. Haircut time. His hair? My hair. Short. Like he has. Like he, all off. Why not? No? I might not be getting that. He doesn't approve.
Thanks, I'm hungry.
We'll see what I end up with. How much is haircut? How much? 50? Okay, that's fine. Yeah, before picture. Lights gone off. This is real. A legit barbershop.
Yeah.
He's gone to check the power. Maybe the clippers won't work without the power. A little bit of music going. Has to get in the zone. I'll pass it to you when he's like trimming. Let's see what happens. Quite the build-up of anticipation here. Yeah. Point of no return. Sweating so bad under a plastic sheet. Music's awesome.
Yeah.
Also look like he knows what he's doing.
I don't know.
We'll see what happens. I wouldn't be surprised if my beard disappears by the end of this too. Dripping in sweat right now. My face is dripping in sweat. Hot. Beard fade.
Yeah.
One hair at a time coming off.
Soon. Nah.
All done? Scissors. Didn't expect the scissors on this one.
We're going for the beard now?
Oh, we're touching that up. Alright, I don't know if I'm keeping the beard or it's disappearing. Something's happening.
Yeah.
Who knows? I thought it was done. Natural born YouTuber and cameraman through stuff.
Yeah.
We're back on the hair.
Okay. But you're lying down. You gotta get the angles right. So the final result.
Final result, not exactly what we asked for.
No, not really.
We might be getting another one shortly. Oh, we're back at it.
Oh, we're not done?
He said all done.
Okay.
He said all done, now he's pulled it out again. You never know what's
No.
going on. Fixing it up. With the light. Here we go. Not bad. Not bad. That's all right. Okay. Here you go. You can keep. Yes, all yours. Cup chai. Cup chai. Hello. Lots of work tonight.
There you
We
go.
were just walk around.
That's what allowed.
Yeah, tomorrow we do the loop, so we
Tomorrow?
so we need to sleep tonight. No beer lao.
No be allowed?
Too many beer lao yesterday.
Okay,
Sick
good.
beer lao.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
good.
but thank you for them.
Yeah.
But Lao Tao restaurant, right?
Yeah, okay.
Everyone come to Lao Tao restaurant.
Next 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks?
Yeah.
I thought it was a month. Yesterday it was a month. Today is 2 weeks. Very fast workers.
Welcome.
Yes, everyone come to Lao Tao in
Welcome
Thakhek.
again.
Yes.
In Thakhek.
Yes. Okay. Well, we will say hi. We will walk. Thank you. Sabaidi. We're friends again. They're not paying attention. Ah. Cheers. Sabaidi. Yeah, nyok.
Cool.
Oh, there's a snail. There we go. Let's go, Gura. Let's go, Gura. Lao snail. Oh, he's got one too. Oh my goodness.
How do you eat this?
Well, hell yeah. Oh my god. Is it raw?
Yeah.
I think it's raw.
Raw snail, boy.
Raw smell, motherfucker.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even get the sauce.
Raw snail. Oh, very spicy. Very spicy snail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's spicy ass snail. Oh my god.
I didn't get the spicy sauce. I just got raw snail, but that shit's alright. Yeah, it's not the best.
It was spicy though.
It's kind of chewy.
Tôm hỏi.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Now Reggie said tôm hỏi.
Tôm hối.
Yes, it's tôm hỏi.
Tôm hối.
Shell.
Skål.
Boy shell. Shell is the boy.
Boil the shells.
Boy shell.
Boil the snail, right?
Boiled snail.
I cannot explain you.
A spicy snail.
Yeah. I didn't even taste the spicy sauce. I didn't even take the sauce.
Another thing is sorry.
This is the haircut. Asked for a buzz cut.
Yeah.
And he really took his time and told me no buzz cut for you. But that's gonna end the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.